Good morning. It is 9:37 and I was supposed to work out today, but I had a long night. Last night was election night. I'm a news anchor and I was up so late waiting for results to come in. So I decided, you know what? I'm just going to get my rest, re-energize myself, start off fresh and not super tired, and then I'll go work out after work today. That's the plan. So today I'm gonna do something just super easy. I'm gonna do my curly hair routine, how I get my big luscious curls. The past 2 days I have been using curling iron on my hair. So usually when I use heat on my hair for a few days, my curls don't come back the way that they should. So we're gonna see what my curls look like, but I'm hoping and praying that I didn't do too much damage because I don't really use a lot of heat products on my hair. So yeah, let's get to it.
So first I'm starting off with my Living Proof Curl Shampoo. This is for waves, curls, and coils. Sulfate free, really good for my hair. I absolutely love the shampoo, especially when I'm traveling because the bottles are super small. And then I just work it through my hair from my roots to the ends. I had a lot of product in my hair from the night before, so I am double washing my hair just to make sure that it's really clean and I got all of that previous product out. Now I'm going in with my conditioner, and then kind of the same way as I did with the shampoo, starting from the roots to the ends, and then I'm finger combing all of those little tangles out of my hair, and then it also just helps to get that conditioner spread through. And then I do the same thing, finger combing my hair as I'm rinsing out the conditioner, and it helps to just get it all out. Now I'm taking an actual dime size, a super small amount, and I'm running it through the ends, almost like a leave-in conditioner. So now I'm just brushing my hair, starting from the ends and working my way up to the top. The brush should glide right through your hair super easily. And then now I'm just gonna flip my hair over and finger comb my hair upside down. And this is what's gonna help me give that lift and volume to my hair. I'm just gonna take my Twist by Quidad gel, and then I scrunch it through my hair, working from the ends, going up to the roots. And now I'm taking my Baby Bliss blow dryer, my diffuser, and then I diffuse my hair again upside down. Now, if you really want volume and body to your hair, you're gonna wanna diffuse your hair upside down. So if you like your hair more flat, you can diffuse your hair upright and it won't be as big. So now my hair is all dry. I'm taking my Chi Shine Infusion Spray and spraying all over. This is gonna help with frizz and really kind of adding that definition to each of my strands. You can see it right here. My curls are super defined, really shiny, and just looking amazing. So I let my hair cool and I finished the rest of my routine, brush my teeth, do my skincare and all of that. So now I'm gonna take my comb and I'm gonna start teasing my hair, starting at the root, working my way down the shaft. This is really important because it's going to add body, it's gonna add volume. And having some kind of oil or shine spray like you saw me spray in my hair is really important if you're going to be teasing your hair, because that helps eliminate frizzing. So you can see here, I'm starting at the root and then working my way down the hair. When I do the top, I don't do as much because I don't want it to get super frizzy. Having the hair underneath be more teased is okay because you can't see it. But any hair that's on top, I don't really tease as much because that's the part you can see, and I want those curls to be super defined and really nice. So now I'm taking my Chi Flexible Hold Hairspray. This is going to just hold my curl and keep it looking luscious all day long. So here it is. All done. Big, poofy, curly, beautiful, frizz-free hair. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.